Hi, I'm Ada. Sheetloom is the decision engine used by smart businesses, delivering decision intelligence that's affordable, flexible, and scalable. Sheetloom manufactures spreadsheets directly from trusted templates. Cutting and pasting is gone. And so are the business risks of making a mistake. This video demonstrates how a CSV file containing card payment data can be used as a data source in Sheetloom to automatically populate your spreadsheet decision models and dashboards. Sheetloom can seamlessly blend data from multiple sources such as card processing, ERP, and accounting systems directly into Excel decision models, distributing decision intelligence across the organization. Sheetloom can be used with databases, APIs, and also CSV files. The CSV file will be uploaded to Sheetloom where it will update an Excel template containing a dashboard displaying total and failed transaction volumes and values. Here you can see the template before it has been updated. This is the CSV file that contains the card payment details for a card processing company. Now you can see the file after it has been updated. Once processed, the dashboard will be updated with the latest data and can easily be distributed across your organization or made available to your merchants. To start, upload the CSV file into Sheetloom, so that the data can then be used within your spreadsheets. The Excel template, which contains a reference to the CSV file in a tab name so it can be mapped by Sheetloom, is then uploaded into Sheetloom. It is then ready to be woven. Sheetloom gets the latest data from the CSV and copies it into a new sheet based on the template. The spreadsheet has been automatically populated and updated with the card payment data provided from the CSV. You can now enjoy Excel's full functionality driven by Sheetloom to get the edge on your decision making. Sheetloom is looking for payment processor partners to deliver cutting-edge decision intelligence that seamlessly scales throughout its own and merchant organizations. Visit sheetloom.com for more information or to schedule a demo with us.